Now we will solve exercise 6. So from that we will solve first question. See, round off to the nearest tens. Means in these questions we have to round off given number to the nearest 10. So first number we will see 57. So in 57, whenever we are rounded off to the nearest 10, we have to see digit at ones place. So here ones place digit is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So we have learned if digit at ones place is greater than 5, then replace ones place digit by 0 and increase digit at tens place by 1. So here ones place digit is 7, it is replaced by 0 and increase tens place digit by 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. So the ones digit 7 is greater than 5. So 57 rounded up to 60. 57 rounded up to 60 because digit at ones place it is greater than 5. So ones place digit replaced by 0 and tens place digit it is increased by 1. Understood? Second number is 93. Here also we have to see ones place digit. Ones place digit is less than 5. So that also we have learned. If ones place digit is less than 5, then digit at ones place replaced by 0 and remaining digit remains same. So here ones place digit is 3 which is less than 5. So 3 place 3 digit is replaced by 0 and remaining keep same. So 9 write as it is and number 3 it is replaced by 0. So what is your answer? The ones digit 3 is less than 5. So 93 is rounded down to 90. Now when we have to write up to and when we have to write down to. Up to is 57. It is up. Isliye up to and 90 it is less than. So rounded down to. Understood? Next C. 291. Here also we have to see ones digit. Ones digit 1 which is less than 5. So here also 291 ones digit is replaced by 0 and remaining remains same. So 1 digit replaced by 0 because ones digit is 1 and remaining 29 it is remains same. So what is our answer? The ones digit 1 is less than 5. So 291 is rounded down. It is less than, so rounded down to 290. Next number 375. So here ones digit is 5. So we have learned if ones digit is equal to or less greater than 5. If ones digit is equal to or greater than 5, then ones digit replaced by 0 and tens digit increased by 1. So here ones digit replaced by 0 and tens digit is 7, it is increased by 1, so it becomes 8 and remaining same. So what is our answer? The ones digit is 5, so 375 is rounded up to, because it is greater than, rounded up to 308. Understood? How to round off given number to nearest 10. Next number 588. Here ones digit is 8 which is greater than 5. So ones digit is replaced by 0 and tens digit increased by 1. So 8 becomes 9 and remains same. So 5 as it is, tens digit increased by 1, so 8 becomes 9 and ones digit it is replaced by 0. So what is our answer? The ones digit 8 is greater than 5. So 588 is rounded up because it is greater than. rounded up to 590. Next, 774. Here one's digit is 4, which is less than 5. So one's digit is replaced by 0 and remaining keep same as it is. So here 4 is less than 5. So one's digit is replaced by 0. So 4 replaced by 0 and remaining keep same. So 77 as it is. So what is your answer? The one's digit 4 is less than 5. So 774 is rounded down to 770 because it is less than. So rounded down to. Next, 819. Here one's digit 9, which is greater than 5. So it is greater than 5. So one's digit replaced by 0 and 10's digit increased by 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 and remaining keep same. So what is our answer? The one's digit 9, which is greater than 5. So 819 is rounded up to 820 because it is greater. Next number 983. Here one's digit is 3, which is less than 5. So one's digit replaced by 0 and remaining keep same. So what is your answer? The one's digit 3 is less than 5. So 983 is rounded down to 980. So remember that if one's digit is less than 5, then one's digit is replaced by 0 and remaining keep same. And if it is equal to or greater than 5, one's digit is equal to or greater than 5, one's digit replaced by 0 and 10's digit increased by 1 and remaining keep same. But 1733. Here one's digit is 3, which is less than 5. So one's digit replaced by 0 and remain keep same. So what is your answer? One's digit 3 is less than 5. So 1733 is rounded down to 1730. Next number 35,876. Here one's digit is 6, which is greater than 5. So one's digit replaced by 0 and 10's digit increased by 1. So what is your answer? The one's digit 6 is greater than 5. So 35,876 is rounded up to 35,880. In this way you have to solve question number first. If one's digit is less than 5, then one's digit replaced by 0 and remaining keeps same. And if one's digit is equal to or greater than 5, then one's digit is replaced by 0 and 10's digit is increased by 1 and remain keep same. So copy down that question number first, round off to the nearest tens. Number second, round off to the nearest hundreds. Now here, look here, first number 446. In question number first, we have to round it off number to the nearest tens. Now in this question, we have to round it off number to the nearest 100. First number is 446. Now here we have to see tens place digit. Okay. So look here, the tens digit is 4, which is less than 5. So if tens digit is less than 5, then replace one's digit and tens digit by 0 and remaining keep the same. So here tens digit is less than 5. So replace one's digit and tens digit by 0 and remaining keeps the same. So here 6 replaced by 0, 4 replaced by 0 and 4 remains same. So what is our answer? The tens digit 4 is less than 5. So 446 is rounded down to 400 because it is less than. Understood? If tens digit is less than 5, then replace one's digit and tens digit by 0 and remaining keep the same. Next number 790. Here also tens digit is 1, which is less than 5. So replace 1's digit and 10's digit by 0 and remaining keep the same. So here 1 is less than 5. So 9 replaced by 0, 1 replaced by 0 and 7 remains same is as it is 7. So here what is our answer? The 10's digit 1 is less than 5. So 790 is rounded down to 700. First also I told if it is greater than up to and if it is less than rounded down to. Understood? Next number 983. So here 10's digit is 8 which is greater than 5. If 10's digit is greater than or equal to 5, then replace 1's digit and 10's digit by 0 and increase 100 digit by 1. Here 10's digit is greater than 5, so replace 1 digit by 0, 10's digit by 0 and increase 100 digit. 100 digit is 9, so 9 plus 1 10, so it is increased by 1, it becomes 10. What is your answer? The 10's digit 8 is greater than 5, so 3 replaced by 0, 8 replaced by 0 and 100 digit 9 plus 1, it will become here 1000. Okay. Next number 1185. Here 10's digit is 8 which is greater than 5. So here also 1's digit replaced by 0, 10's digit replaced by 0 and 100 digit increased by 1 means 1 plus 1 2. So here what is your answer? The 10's digit is 8 which is greater than 5. So 1185 is rounded up to 1200. Here 5 replaced by 0, 8 replaced by 0, 1 increased by 1, 1 plus 1 2 and remaining as is. Next number 1736. Here 10's digit is 3. So 3 is less than 5. So 1's digit and 10's digit replaced by 0 and remaining keep the same. So here 6 replaced by 0, 3 replaced by 0 and 1 and 7 remains the same. So what is your answer? The 10's digit 3 is less than 5. So 1736 is rounded down to 1700. Next number 6253. Here 10's digit is 5. So if 10's digit is equal to or greater than 5, then 1's digit and 10's digit replaced by 0 and 100 digit increased by 1. So here 3 replaced by 0, 5 replaced by 0 and 2 increased by 1 means 2 plus 1 3 and remaining keep the same. So the 10's digit is 5, so 6253 is rounded up to 6300. Next number 8899. Here 10's digit is 9 which is greater than 5. So 1's digit replaced by 0, 10's digit replaced by 0 and 100 digit increased by 1 means 8 increased by 1 it becomes 9. So what is your answer? The 10's digit 9 greater than 5. So 8899 is rounded up to 8900. Next number 15728. Here 10's digit is 2 which is less than 5. So 1's digit replaced by 0, 10's digit replaced by 0 and remaining keep the same. So here 8 digit replaced by 0, 2 digit replaced by 0 and 1, 5, 7 digit remains the same. So what is our answer? The 10's digit is 2 which is less than 5. So 15,728 is rounded down to 15,700. Next number 18,997. Here 10's digit is 9 which is greater than 5. So 1's digit replaced by 0, 10's digit replaced by 0 and 100 digit increased by 1. Means 9 increased by 1 means it becomes 10. So here if you add 9 it becomes 10. So 0 carry over 7 replaced by 0, 9 replaced by 0, and 9 replaced by 1, it becomes 10. So it is rounded up to 90,000. Next number 24,364. Here tens digit is 6, which is greater than 5. So ones digit 4, it is replaced by 0. Tens digit 6, which is also replaced by 0. And 100 digit 3 is increased by 1, means 3 plus 1 4, and remaining keep the same. So what is your answer? The tens digit 6 is greater than 5, so 24,364 is rounded up to 24,400. In this way, you have to solve question number 2 from exercise 6. So copy down those all examples in your notebook and do practice more. Next, question number 3 from exercise 6. Rounded off to the nearest thousands. From that, first number C, 3,278. So here we have to see 100 digit. So here 100 digit is 2, which is less than 5. So here ones digit replaced by 0, tens digit replaced by 0, 100 digit replaced by 0. Means here 8 digit replaced by 0, 7 digit replaced by 0, and 2 digit replaced by 0. And remaining keep the same. So what is your answer here? The 100 digits 2 is less than 5. So 3,278 is rounded down to 3,000. Because 100 digit is less than 5. So ones, tens and 100 digit replaced by 0 and remaining keep the same. Next number 6,938. Here 100 digit is 9, which is greater than 5. So if 100 digit is greater than or equal to 5, then ones, tens and 100 digit replaced by 0 and 1000 digit is increased by 1. So here 8 replaced by 0, 3 replaced by 0, 9 replaced by 0, and 1000 digit is 6, it is increased by 1, means 6 plus 1, 7. So here answer outright, the 100 digit 9, which is greater than 5, so 6,938 is rounded up to 7,000. Understood everyone? Next number 7,171. Here 100 digit is 1, which is less than 5. So ones digit 1 is replaced by 0. Tens digit 7 replaced by 0. 100 digit 1 replaced by 0. And remaining keep the same, so 7 as it is. So outright answer, the 100 digit 1, which is less than 5. So 7,171 is rounded down to 7,000. Next 9,569. Here 100 digit is 5. So 9 ones digit is replaced by 0. Tens digit 6 is replaced by 0. 100 digit 5 is replaced by 0. And 1000 digit 9, which is increased by 1. So 9 plus 1 it becomes 10. So here what is the answer? The 100 digit is 5. So 9,569 is rounded up to 10,000. Remember that if digit is less than 5, then you have to write rounded down to. And if digit is equal to or greater than 5, then you have to write rounded up to. Next number 10,734. Here 100 digit is 7, which is greater than 5. So here 4 ones digit is replaced by 0. Tens digit 3 is replaced by 0. 100 digit 7 is replaced by 0. And 1000 digit is increased by 1. So 10 becomes here 11. So what is your answer? The 100 digit 7, which is greater than 5. So 10,734 is rounded up to 11,000. Next number 12,617. Here 100 digit is 6, which is greater than 5. So ones digit 7 replaced by 0, tens digit 1 replaced by 0, Next number here 45,817. Here 100 digit is 8, which is greater than 5. So here 7, ones digit replaced by 0, tens digit 1 replaced by 0, 100 digit 8 replaced by 0, and 1000 digit 5 which is increased by 1. So 5 become 6 and remaining keep the same. So our answer is the 100 digit 8 is greater than 5. So 45,870 is rounded up to 46,000. Next number 73,417. Here 100 digit is 4, which is less than 5. So here ones digit 7 is replaced by 0, tens digit 1 replaced by 0, 100 digit 4 replaced by 0, and remaining 7 and 3 digit it is remain the same. So our answer is the 100 digit 4 which is less than 5. So 73,470 is rounded down to 73,000. Next number 99,978. Here 100 digit is 9 which is greater than 5. So ones digit 8 is replaced by 0, tens digit 7 replaced by 0, 100 digit 9 replaced by 0, and 1000 digit 9 is increased by 1. 9 plus 10 0 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. So our right answer the 100 digit 9 is greater than 5. So 99,978 is rounded up to 1 lakh. Next number 32,871. Here 100 digit is 8 which is greater than 5. So ones digit 1 replaced by 0, tens digit 7 replaced by 0, 100 digit 8 replaced by 0, and 1000 digit 2 is increased by 1, 2 become 3 and 3 remains the same. So upright the 100 digit 8 is greater than 5. So 32,871 rounded up to 33,000. In this way question number 3rd you have to solve. So all example of exercise 6 I have shown how to solve. You copy down in your note.